Hi guys, RETROCENGO here with another pickup unboxing video. Let's take a quick look at what I have got again now. Because when I make these unboxing videos, I get a lot of positive response from people that really love to see what I get donated, and I show my appreciation and share these donations or show all the awesome old Commodore stuff or other retro machines I found today in 2018. So let's just take a quick look. I actually like doing these videos because of the response I get. People think I get so many mails when I do these videos, and some guy tell me something about he had the same thing back in '94 or something. I should try this, I should do that. It's just awesome. So okay, so yesterday from the same city I live in, through friend, you know, I got contacted, and this guy, I have seen him, but I don't know him personally. But he said that he had this Commodore collection, that he bought a Amiga CD32 from brand new, and he had some old Commodore stuff, and if I was interested I could come and buy everything. And I said, I'm really interested in the CD32, but Commodore 64 and all that, it's not on my highest wish list, because I have so many of them. I have to go them through. So, but I'm very interested in the Amiga CD32, because he said he had it from new and in box and everything. So it was in the same city, and I could have it for a very low price, because he had all these on his storage for many years, planned to show his kids these machines, but yeah, he didn't want them anymore. But I got a first I saw this lovely box, a Commodore 128 with the PSU. That's nice. He said that everything here worked, so let's just assume that, but I don't know. We got some Amiga 500s. I've checked, they both had RAM expansion. One of them had battery leakage, not that much, but a little bit. The other one had no leakage, no nothing, so that was okay. So that's the first one. And here I got a mouse that I haven't seen before. I got it looks, it's something homemade. I don't know, you can turn these. Yeah, so something, I don't know if it's for the Amiga. It's got the Amiga plug. And I got this lovely Vico joystick. I got an Amiga 600 yellow. It didn't have no expansion, so yeah, that's alright. And we got a cassette tape there. Oh, we got something down here. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's something for the Commodore. It just says Commodore. Oh, it says Comal 80. I don't know what that is. Yeah. Two of these data sets, and of course the arcades here. They're awesome, guys. Needs just some cleaning, but oh my god, they're dusty. Nice joysticks. Alright, and we got some well, these Amigas I haven't checked, guys. We got some joysticks, 4 Amiga 500s. I really don't hope there is no Amiga 500 Plus with battery damage and all that. We got a what's it called? Keyboard for the Commodore 126D. He didn't know if this one worked. Something with, oh, I don't remember. It's missing some screws, he said, and all. Yeah, but If it doesn't work, I will fix it. I really love the Commodore 128D. I have another one in supreme condition, so I will measure that one and fix this one. They have to work, you know, guys. Yeah, and some Amiga 500s. All right. Let's skip this one and just no. All right, let's just check it out. So we got this. The fun part is, he said he bought this one from new, and this was the reason I visited him to buy his old Commodore thingies, and inside I got this, the CD TV. But I couldn't just leave it, you know. And he said, this is the 32. I said, no way, this is called CD TV. But he bought this one from new. I mean, it's a little dusty, but man, the condition looks really nice. Oh, there's the original mouse also. Nice. And the controller, and I don't know if it has. Yes, it has the bay for the, yeah. So a CD 32 box, but inside we got a CD TV. And then I got this one should work. Commodore Plus 4. You know, guys, I have absolutely no idea what it is. Is it before the 64, after the 64? I don't know. I can't see any date on the box. Oh man, it is something from the 80s, but what it is, what it does, I don't know. I mean, project to the upcoming winter. Right now, I just buy everything I can. I mean, the price I paid, it's almost like a donation, you guys. But yeah. So I got a Commodore Plus 4 in box, and I got this Commodore 64 also. Nice. Yeah. Guys, and we got some I got a keyboard here, nice, it's dusty but nice condition. It looks like the keyboard for the Amiga 4000. I don't know if I can, maybe I can use it on the Amiga 4000, I don't know. It looks great. Got some cable stuff here. We got a game list. Oh man, I just... Oh, Moonstone requires 1 megabyte. People was just... yeah. Oh. Yeah, we got some more discs here. We got some more game discs. And what's this? Okay. More game boxes here. Discs, and what's that? PSU. Oh, this is a memory card for the what's it called? PlayStation 1. Oh man. Oh, we got a boxed game here from 1988. We got a poster, man. Let's check that out. I mean, when will you see this again? Whoa, for the collector. That's awesome, man. Alright, so it's a Commodore 64 disc game. Oh, we got some tapes here also. Why? Free giant wall chart audio cassette featuring the challenge. Okay, it had some music also. We got Ogre, an Amiga game. This is for the disk drives, and this is for the... what the hell is this? Color fix for Super Video to SCART composite. Yeah, okay. Oh, it must be for the CD-TV. And power supplies. I think I'm missing the power supplies for this drive over here. But guys, another great another great collection that I got. Yeah, I just want to make a quick video and show it to you guys. I'm looking forward to try this. But my friend is here in 2 minutes and he will pick everything up. All these things I buy, I get them stored at my friend's place. And yeah, when it's cold outside and all that, then I will start refurbishing all these machines. But the cool part is, in the beginning he said I could use one room, and he's got a lot of storage. But as of right now, he has started playing all the Amiga discs. So every time I contact him and I say, man, come on, pick up some machines again, the first thing he asks me is there any discs? He wants to play some games. So we got 6 disc boxes here with Amiga discs, and apparently nothing for the Commodore 64 other than that little cartridge. I don't know. I mean, isn't that great, guys? A 128D. They're not they're rare in Denmark, so that's nice. Alright guys, that must be it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.